Is your 2009 Honda Odyssey's alarm system going off randomly? You're not alone. This is a common problem that affects many owners of these aging vehicles. The most frequent culprits are faulty door switches, key fob issues, or BCM body control module glitches. Let's examine each of these systematically. These three components work together in your vehicle's security system. When any one of them fails, it can trigger false alarms and drain your battery. First, inspect all door switches, especially those on the sliding doors. These switches are exposed to the elements and tend to degrade over time. Test them by manually pressing each switch while the doors are closed. Next, consider the key fob. Replace the batteries in all fobs simultaneously, using CR1616 or CR2032 batteries depending on your specific fob model. Weak batteries cause intermittent communication issues. If problems persist, the BCM or body control module might be the issue. This central processor coordinates all security system components. A hard reset can sometimes resolve communication errors and restore proper function. By following this systematic approach, checking door switches, replacing key fob batteries, and considering BCM issues, you can identify and address the root cause of your Odyssey's alarm problems. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step solutions for resetting your Honda Odyssey's body control module and advanced troubleshooting techniques. The first step is performing a hard BCM reset. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal first, then wait exactly 15 minutes. This waiting period allows all capacitors in the system to fully discharge. Next, press the brake pedal 3 times while the battery is disconnected. This step drains any residual power remaining in the electrical system. Reconnect the battery, connecting the positive terminal first, then the negative. Allow 10 minutes for the body control module to initialize and recalibrate all systems. If the BCM reset doesn't resolve the issue, advanced diagnostics are needed. Modern OBD2 scanners can read Honda-specific BCM codes, providing precise fault identification with live data streams and comprehensive diagnostic libraries. You have 2 main options for repairs. Professional diagnosis typically costs $150 to $300, while complete BCM replacement can cost $800 to $1,200. DIY solutions like door switch replacement average only $20 to $40, and BCM resets are completely free. Remember, door switch failures cause 68% of alarm issues in the 2009 Odyssey. Addressing door switch problems proactively prevents cascading issues with the BCM and electrical system, saving you time and money in the long run.